Wow, when did you buy this iPhone?
I bought it yesterday.
Your choice is very nice.
Oh, thank you.
Why did you buy iPhone 15?
Because I want to look cool.
Do you like to go shopping?
Yes, I do. I like to go shopping.
Did you ever go grocery shopping?
Yes, I often go.
What does grocery shopping mean?
It means going to the store to buy some food.
What time of the day do you usually go grocery shopping?
I usually go grocery shopping in the evening.
Is grocery shopping your favorite thing to do?
No, this is not my favorite thing to do.
Do you have a fridge at home?
Yes, of course, I have a fridge at home.
What do you keep in your fridge?
I keep food in my fridge.
Do you sometimes feel too lazy or tired to go shopping?
Yes, I do. Sometimes I feel too lazy to go shopping.
Do you enjoy spending hours in a crowded mall?
No, I don't. I hate spending time in crowded mall.
But do you sometimes have to?
Yes, unfortunately, sometimes I have to spend hours in crowded mall.
Do you love all your colleagues?
No, there are some colleagues who I really don't like.
What is the best gift to buy for a colleague you don't like?
I would buy that person a mug with a sarcastic message or a really boring book.
Do you often do online shopping?
No, I don't do online shopping.
Is that because you are too poor to shop in luxury boutiques?
That's one of the reasons, but I also think those brands are a loss of money.
Do you agree that cheap clothes are always low quality?
No, sometimes cheap clothes have very decent quality.
Would you change your mind if you were earning $100 million a year?
Probably I would change my mind if I were earning $100 million.
Do you envy people who earn that kind of money?
I guess I do envy people who earn $100 a year.
Do you remember when we had that pandemic?
Of course, I remember when we had that pandemic.
Did you stay home all the time?
No, I didn't. Otherwise, I would have gone crazy.
Do you miss those times?
No, of course I don't miss, and I hope they will never return.
Did you ever manage to buy something cool when it's on sale?
No, once I bought an item yesterday and it was on sale today.
What did you tell yourself?
I told myself, why didn't I wait one more day?
I bet it's not the best feeling, is it?
No, it's definitely not.
Do you often go shopping in the rush hour?
Yes, unfortunately I have to go shopping in the rush hour.
Is it the best time to go shopping?
No, rush hour is by far the worst time to go shopping.
Why do you think so?
Because the lines at the checkout are very long.
What do you do when you see a long line at the checkout?
When I see a long line at the checkout, I have to suck it up and wait for my turn.